Hi guys, good morning and welcome back sa ating new video. So today is we are in London. So Millie's first time to be in London. Millie's first time in London. Did you like the train or no? Yeah, so dito na kami guys sa London Victoria. Ayan, wala masyadong tao kasi nga kami na lang ang naiwan kasi ang dami naming advertisement. Kaya dito na kami sa London. Nakakamiss. It's been what? 2 years? It's been 2 years. More than 2 years now. Si Carmen parang mag-aaral. What time is the school? What time is your school? So ngayon, dahil dito na kami, magbubook lang kami ng Grab. Inabook ang Grab and then pupunta kami ng hotel, guys. Yeah. 10. Still have 2 hours. Kasi nga may event kami ngayon pupuntahan. So, ganito kalaki yung London Victoria. Ayan. Sobrang daming chiche-boreche dito. Sobrang laki. It's massive, right? Yeah. Guys, dito ako sa Boots and maghanap lang ako ng nail cutter. Kasi nga, nakalimutan ni Cameron. Oh, God. Nakalimutan ni Cameron tawag nito. Mag-nail cutter ng kanyang kamay. And hanap muna ako ng bulak kasi nga kailangan ko din yun para may magamit me. No? Guys, ito na yung bibilin ko. Then mag-self-checkout lang ako. Sa labas si Cameron and si Millie. Nag-antay na lang sila doon sa akin.
Scan your first item. Please insert or scan your Advantage card. Select payment time. Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
Nabili ko na yung nail cutter ni Cameron and then bumili na lang din ako ng cotton. Can you put that here inside? Yeah. Guys, kahit dito may nakakakilala sa amin. Iba na talaga ang kapugian ni Cameron, pang international na. Doon tayo sa labas ng London Victoria Station. Dito na kami sa may labas ng London Victoria and then waiting lang kami sa aming Grab. Is it Grab or Uber? Ay, Uber para kasi walang Grab dito. Same thing lang din na pala. So, dito kami sa labas, mag-aantay lang kasi hindi na kami underground train kasi nga sobrang hassle para kay Millie. Lalo may anak kasi palipat-lipat ganun. And si Millie, ayan. Medyo ngayon yung weather, rainy. You got it? Didi ka na? We're here na sa sasakyan. Welcome sa my London. Are you happy? Huh? Dito na kami guys sa London. Inaantok na ang bata. Inaantok na. Guys, dito na kami sa hotel. Pero mali pala yung hotel na napasukan namin. Same din sila ng pangalan but it's different. I don't know. So, on the way na kami sa kabilang kanto guys. Kasi nga, nagkamali yung pinuntahan namin na hotel. Dito din kami dinala ng nag-Uber eh. Isina mahulog ka, Inday. Finally guys, dito na kami sa mismong hotel namin pag-i-stayhan. Malapit lang naman yung nilakad namin. Yan, stress na iyon. Mag-early check-in kami kasi nga kailangan naming mag-check-in agad para makatulog ito kasi nga para hindi siya mabad mamaya sa event namin. Mr. Baby. Nag-check-in lang kami and iniwan lang namin yung mga luggages namin. Time check is almost 11 so yung event is 12:30 pa, lunchtime sa Soho. So naglakad-lakad lang kami ni Daddy Cameron. And then on the way na kami doon para buti na lang nakabihis na kami agad ng aming attire. And para diretso na kami sa event. Yun nga lang, hindi namin napanap si Mili. Sana hindi talaga yan magwilga doon mamaya. Guys, may nagmamarathon kaya sobrang hirap maghanap ng daanan. Pero dito kami ngayon sa tapat ng Big Ben. Ayan, and then Westminster Abbey. This is Westminster Abbey, right? Ayan, yan yung, yan o.
London Marathon.
Then, dyan na park, kinasal si Prince Harry. That part, that church, that's where they married. Prince Harry. Yeah, royal family. Guys, dito na kami sa Leicester Square and it feels like it brings back memories.
Memories of you and Casey.
Lagi kasi kami dito ni Casey, di ba? Dati.
Straight there.
Just keep straight.
See, she knows it more than me.
Mas kabisado ko pa to kaysa kay Cameron eh. Itong Leicester Square na ito. Guys, remember nyo ba to? Lagi tayo pumupunta dito sa Jollibee. Diba? Nakakamiss lang.
Guess how much I just paid for this?
How much?
Yes. You know, just a juice drink.
10 pounds?
10 pounds?
3 pounds?
Huh?
3 pounds?
5 pounds.
5 pounds?
350 pesos. I'm not sure, it's a little thirsty.
Nagko-convert na rin guys si Cameron. Si Millie pala tulog pa din until now. Dito kami sa Leicester Square sa tapat ng Jollibee. Dito kami naupo and pupunta kami mamaya sa Soho banda. Doon kasi yung event. And mag-aantay lang kami ng oras. Yes? How is my baby? Did she sleep almost 1 hour? Yeah. We live in the 10:55 and then she's already slept.
Where are you now? In central London. Yes.
Gising na ang madam.
Scared away the pigeons. You scared the pigeons.
Walang ano eh, no? Walang, hindi natatakot eh, no?
Dito na kami sa event guys, sa Casa and Kian. Waiting na lang. Guys, ito na kami sa loob ng event.
wanted to sit down with the rest. Sit down someday.
Para mag-friend kami dalawa. Ito ako gaong.
Love.
Hi guys, dito na kami sa event. And dito na yung mga ibang influencer from UK.
Forgot the microphone.
Yeah, it's okay, but really lang din naman. Are you okay?
I want to do as part of, you know, the brand management of TransferGo is really to support more Filipinos like you, because I know you guys uplift and make the integration of Filipinos.
What is it? Pancake?
It's like fresh lumpia.
Can you do it? 'Cause I'm filming. Let's put it down. Put it on this one. Wait. Is this one each or share? Is it share? Or?
Oh yeah, picture. It's okay, just a day. Huh? I don't know really, just something. Sisig.
There's a sisig. Hello guys, we have finally checked into our London hotel. This is the Hub by Premier Inn. Really? Wow, look at your bed. Look, London. Big TV. This is this is actually the cheapest hotel for central London. But we upgraded the room. It's only £20 extra to upgrade the room, or £15 extra.
Maybe if you didn't upgrade it, maybe just the half.
Yeah, the normal rooms are like the half of this space. It's really, really small. But I upgraded it £15 a night because, you know, we have a baby, so we upgraded it. Look, all the controls right next to you. The aircon. It's really convenient. So this hotel for one night is about £150. It's 10,000 a night. Central London, and it's a 3-star. And no one's gonna help you with your bags. We just had to struggle with Millie sleeping in all of our bags to get up here. But, you know, it's okay. It's you know, expected for the price. But our hotel is central Westminster, right next to Big Ben. Maybe. We're right next to Big Ben, aren't we? You know, we walk round the corner, it's already Big Ben. Next to Big Ben, and it's 15 minutes walk from Leicester Square, and most importantly, Jollibee.
Yeah. We're gonna eat dinner, Jollibee.
If you want. Yeah. Jollibee is not, you know, cheap here though. But it doesn't matter. Mila, are you enjoying? Wow.
Kakagising niya lang, guys. She just woke up.
Yeah.
She's really tired. But did you enjoy so far?
Yeah, the food's good. The beef curry is good. That's the best curry.
So my curry is
better than
not.
the pork one.
So my curry is not good.
The beef one is better. Sorry.
That's not nice.
Maybe if you cook the beef one, yours can be better.
Yeah.
Yeah, Millie. Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Millie.
actually, it looks good to you, my love.
She's smiling.
Look.
She's smiling. Weird. Look, an alien.
Look, an alien. So, did you have fun in TransferGo?
Yeah, it's good.
We met, you know, different influencers.
Meeting everyone. Food was good.
Kung kayo ay may pamilya sa abroad, or if you're abroad, you can use TransferGo. Pwede kayo mag-send ng money through TransferGo. Mataas ang palitan, and sa first transaction nyo, free lang mag-send ng pera. And then also, hindi lang pwede mag-send ng pera doon. Milya, pwede din kayong mag-sideline doon. Pwede din kayong kumita ng pera sa my TransferGo. Kasi nga,
if you sign up to TransferGo and you recommend someone else to sign up, get your friend or whoever you recommend to use your personalized link, which you can get from the app. And then I think your first friend, you get to sign up, you earn £20. And if you sign up another friend, you earn £30.
Don't need to send money.
Oh, the person that signs up needs to send £100 minimum to the Philippines.
Yeah.
But once they send £100, you can get £20, like I said, first one. Your second one is
£50.
£30.
Ah, £30.
And then your third one is £50, so total £100.
Yeah, and
then everyone after that is £20 unlimited.
Yeah.
So you can have, you know, once you earned your first 3, if you can invite 10 more, it'd be £20 each. It's pretty good.